Yeah, here we have a Rockford 6x48 inch belt sander combo disc sander. It's unused. It's in really good condition. We have it powered up so you can watch it run. So it does run very nicely. The belt on here is a little warped, so it's hitting the platen here. Not a big deal. There's some styrofoam in here. This is fully assembled. It came in 2 boxes, and we assembled it. This portion is in really good shape, as well as the platen here. And the cabinet, very nice. A couple little tiny scratches, nothing major. Machine runs like the top. It's in really nice shape. And we thank you for looking at our product.